What is modern Memphis interior style? Clashing patterns, mixing and matching of patterns, such as stripes, checks, polka dots, and graphic prints, are common in modern Memphis interiors, creating a sense of whimsy and excitement. Graphic elements, bold graphic elements, including abstract shapes, asymmetrical lines, and bold typography, are frequently incorporated into furniture, artwork, and accessories. Pop art influence. Pop art inspired motifs and imagery, such as comic book graphics, cartoon characters, and cultural icons, may be used to infuse a sense of fun and nostalgia into the space. Eclectic furnishings. Furniture pieces often feature unconventional shapes and materials, with a mix of vintage finds, contemporary designs, and custom-made pieces contributing to the eclectic nature of the style. Playful accessories. Quirky accessories, such as decorative figurines, sculptural objects, and statement lighting fixtures, add personality and whimsy to modern Memphis interiors.